Firstly, Professor, how do you see the mass death of chickens at farms in Okayama and Miyazaki prefectures?
Certainly, very unfortunately, highly pathogenic avian influenza by maybe H5N1 virus occurred there. 2 outbreaks had already occurred in breeder and meat-type chicken flocks kept in Miyazaki Prefecture, southern Kyushu Islands last month, and additional case also just occurred in a layer farm located in the same prefecture. I'm afraid this disaster is causing quite serious results in Japan, particularly Western Japan.
Now, Professor Otsuke, how do you think the chickens were infected?
It is difficult to answer, but at this moment, migratory free-living birds, wild birds, particularly such waterfowls as ducks and geese, were playing important role to carry the avian influenza virus into this country. And I suppose that this virus was brought from northern China, Mongolia, or southern Russia by these migratory fowls, because in northern China, present time, distribution of H5N1 virus is wide and its concentration is considerable.
Now, this year in Japan, bird flu has spread in the southern and western part of the country. Is there a possibility that this avian influenza may spread to other parts of Japan?
I'm afraid another 1 or 2 outbreaks may occur during this winter. It is possible that free-living birds, including migratory fowls, infected or contaminated with H5N1 influenza virus are still living in the mountains of this country. Chicken farms located in any district other than Western Japan may also be affected. But chicken farms in Western Japan are in more dangerous situation for avian influenza infection. Geographically, Western Japan closes to Korea Peninsula and land China. In autumn, majority of migratory waterfowls flying from Siberia or northern China calls at Western Japan first. If some of them were already infected with avian influenza virus, these birds may transmit the virus to birds living in Western Japan.
Then what are some of the measures to prevent the spread of bird flu?
Every chicken farms in this country should prepare the best system not to be entered by any free-living birds into their chicken house. Preparation of bird screen not to enter free-living birds into chicken houses, and perfect disinfection of inside and outside of chicken house and ground of the chicken farm are quite effective. Careful disinfection of drinking water for chickens are also effective. Disinfection of clothes and boots worn by workers there is also very important.
And can the bird flu virus mutate into a virus that would spread among humans? If so, what kind of action can we take to prevent it, including international cooperation?
My answer is quite short. H5N1 avian influenza virus can change to human pandemic causing virus, but its mechanism is not analyzed yet. It is very important to share every information about what kinds of outbreaks of influenza are occurring in the world.
Thank you very much, Professor Otsuke.
You're welcome.